Welcome EPS parents and students. Today we will be showing you how to sign into our remote learning platform, Office 365, on your Android device. Please note that different grades have different logins. These will be sent to you via one of our communication channels. To access Office 365, tap on your search engine app. Most of you should have the Google Chrome app. Where it says search or type the web address, tap there and type in www.office.com and tap on the enter key. Tap on sign in. Where it says email, phone or Skype, tap there and enter your username and tap on the enter key. I will ask you for your password. Tap where it says password, enter your password and tap on the sign in tab. The first time you sign in, you will be sent a verification code. To set it up, you need to tap on Set It Up Now. Under How Should We Contact You, make sure the authentication phone is selected. Tap and select South Africa, and then tap and enter your cell phone number. Tap on Send Me a Code by text message, and tap on Next. Tap where it says verification code and enter your code that was sent to your cell phone. Tap on Sign In. You have now successfully signed into Office 365. Please see our other tutorials of how to add and access other Microsoft apps on your device.